Here we have a somewhat cluttered display. To make it easier to parse, we'll split up each term with its conditions onto its own line and space out everything evenly. To do this efficiently, we'll use regular expressions in substitutions. First, we'll add an aligned environment and remove the existing new lines and spacing. Next, we want to add in new lines after each comma before an X. Now, as you can see, each term with its conditions is on its own line. Now we want to space them out evenly and align them. Now the display is neater and easier to parse.